Time to collect a swarm. Not a bad little swarm to collect. Let's get the smoker ready.
It's about 7:30 p.m. and it's getting cold, so it looks like the bees have decided to hang out here for the night.
Pretty chilled.
I use the smoker to help calm and distract the bees. The next step is to start moving as many of the bees into the hive, making sure to get the queen, as this will make the remaining bees move into the hive. I make sure to put the lid back on each time to make sure the bees stay in the hive. Here I am moving the hive closer to the bees to make it easier for them to make their way into the hive.
Sorry, girls. Just got stung on the belly. Pressed a bee up against my stomach. Alright, hopefully we'll see the bees making their way into the hive. Turn it. Safe. Should see them start making their way into the box. There they go.
It's getting cold and I'll be transporting the hive in the back of my car, so I'm helping a few of the bees find their way into the hive. This way there's less chance of stray bees ending up in the back of my car.
Okay, looks like we're getting them into the box slowly. The sun's setting, so might just take a little bit longer to get the remaining bees into the box. But I think that's a pretty successful swarm catch. A bit tricky having it on this pole. Anyway, they're just sort of scraping each side of the pole and then also shaking the tree. But we got them. Go around this other side here. Just realised I did bring a torch, but I can use my phone.
While the remaining bees find their way into the hive, I'm packing up the gear that I no longer need, so that the last thing to do is move the hive to the car.
We've got a successful catch.
If you look closely, you should notice some of the bees standing at the front of the hive, fanning their wings. These bees are spreading the queen's pheromones, calling the rest of the colony into the hive. Amazing. The last few bees are taking their time, so I give them a little encouragement to get into the box.
And my hives normally have a door that I can open and close, but these are newer and I haven't done it yet, so I'm just going to have to use a tea towel and a Phillips head to stuff it in.
The The next step is to get them to their new home, and tomorrow open the entrance and wait for them to emerge and start their new lives.
Just double check that I haven't left anything. Alright, all good. I don't think the sting on the stomach was all that bad. I can't feel it now, but it may itch later. Anyway, thank you for coming on Swarm Catch with us.